What is up, guys? It's me, Addie, and today I'm just playing with some slime. So I know I've been doing videos, and like sets that are different. I'm just going to let you know that I'm going back to this set. I'll move you guys back so you guys can see the slime. There. Now I can probably see it. Okay, here it is. My little sister has a video. Okay, so this is probably going to be torture. I'm going to put these headphones on and I'm not going to be, and I can't hear them. I mean, like, there's no music on, but I won't be able to listen to the slime poking. This is just torture. Wow, it's that loud, I can still hear it. You guys know. I can hear stuff better. My friends don't know that I have a YouTube channel. I mean, I told them that I have a YouTube channel, but they haven't looked it up, and I haven't told them the name. So please go tell your friends. If you watch this, please go tell your friends to subscribe to me and like. Please hit the subscribe button down below and the like button down below. I'm still not ending the video. Okay, yes I am. Bye guys! You really thought I was ending the video? No. I don't know what to name this slime, so please put things down below. And I'll have a winner for it. Maybe. But like, please don't send your address to me, because then other people might see it if you do a private comment. Still, people could hack in. So please do not send me your address. Because it's not like a giveaway, but like, I'm just telling a winner for who gets to name this slime. I know forever he named that name. So comment down below like a really good name. Yeah, and I'll see you later. Bye guys! Really? Did I prank you again? Okay, no, this is for real now. Bye guys! Where isn't it going? Oh, there it goes. Okay. I'm good. I wonder who's gonna comment on that video. It's still on? Haha, I pranked you guys. I knew you guys would fall for it. You guys thought I really didn't think? You guys thought that I really ended the video? So you guys thought that I actually ended the video? Well, no, honey. That didn't happen. There we go. Now I got the slime off my pants. Okay. Actually, this is for real this time. Bye, guys!